Hello everyone, I am Gurbinder Kaur, and in this video we are going to practice that how we can solve quadratic equations by factoring method. There are actually three methods to solve the quadratic equations and factoring method is one of them. So if the equation is in the form of a monic polynomial means when the leading coefficient is always equal to 1. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. That means it is a monic polynomial. So whenever you have a monic polynomial, we can solve it by factoring method. The method is very easy. So as you know, this is the constant term. So x square minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0, where 10 is the constant term. So we have to find out the factors of 10. Factors of 10 could be 1 times 10. It could be 2 times 5. This is it, because 10 have only two real factors. Now, out of these two factors, we have to choose that one which will add or subtract to make the coefficient of x, which is negative 7. If I try with 1 and 10, 1 plus 10 will make 11. Or 1 minus 10, if I subtract in either form, it will make 9 or negative 9. If I change these negatives here or positive here, which will not true because we want negative 7. So this form is rejected. Now let's try the 2 and 5. Obviously 2 plus 5 will make 7, but we want negative 7. So we have to take care of these negatives also. So how we can make negative 7? If we take negative 2, negative 5, which is negative 7. So we have to choose this factor. So we should write x minus 2 times x minus 5. So these are the two factors of this quadratic equation. Now to simplify, equate both factors equal to 0. X minus 2 equals to 0 and x minus 5 equals to 0. From where you get x equals to 2 and x equals to 5. So these are the two solutions of this quadratic equations. Let's try with more examples. Here we have x square plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Similarly, we will try with the constants negative 20, the factors of negative 20. So 20 could be rewritten as 1 times 20. It can be rewritten as 2 times 10. Or it can be written as 4 times 5. Or it can be, these are the only forms that can be factorized as 20. Out of these, we can see like 2 and 10 will make 8 if we subtract 2 and 10. So if I write 10 minus 2, that will make 8. And also if I multiply 10 with negative 2, that will make negative 20. So hence we can use this 10 and 2. So this can be written as x plus 10 times by x minus 2 is equal to 0. And again, equate both equal to 0. So x plus 10 equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0, which will be x equals to negative 10 and x equals to 2. So these are the two solutions of this quadratic equation. Now the third example we have here, which is x squared plus 13x plus 42 is equal to 0. Again, the constant is 42. So let's factorize 42, which can be rewritten as 1 times 42. Or it can be 2 times 21. Or it can be 3 times 14. Or it can be 6 times 7. So out of these, we want the constant, the coefficient of x 13, either subtraction or addition. And 6 plus 7 will add to make 13. So we can use 6 plus 7, which is equal to 13. And also, if we check with the multiplication, yes, it is making 42. So the factors would be x plus 6 times x plus 7 is equal to 0. And again, equate both equal to 0. X plus 6 equals to 0 and x plus 7 is equal to 0, which will make it x equals to negative 6 and x equals to negative 7. So again, these are the two solutions of this quadratic equation. And here we have some practice questions, which you can try in your homework. If there is any doubt, you can type in the chat box.